In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on LED flash notifications on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down until you find Accessibility. Here it is. At the Accessibility settings, we need to scroll down until we find Audio and Visual. And then here, just scroll down to the very bottom where you will find LED flash for alerts. It is currently set to off, and to enable it, we need to tap at that first toggle. That's how we can easily enable flash notifications. However, we can also configure it a bit. If you want flash notifications to show while your device is unlocked, then just activate that option. And also, if you want to show flash in silent mode, then activate the rest one. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.